Student, myself Dr. Suraj Jakar, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I will discuss about polyphagous pest. Then first is white grub. Scientific name Holotrachea serrata and Holotrachea consanguinea. Holotrachea consanguinea is a common species of white grub. Then family Scabidae, order Polyptera. Then economic importance. Economy, it is a composition and polyphagous species, having been reported from most of the states of the country since last 10 to 15 years. Grub is posing a great threat to the cultivation in some pocket of Maharashtra, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. And then mark of identification: adult. Beetle is a slowly built reddish brown, 22 to 25 mm in length, and head is oblique. Then eggs is a creamy white, oval spherical, 2 mm diameters. Then grub about 47 mm long, white in color with a dark blue head, having powerful mandibles and 3 pair of prominent thoracic legs. Then host plant white grub are polyphagous pest. Then larval host take number of crops like sugarcane, groundnut, jowar, maize, paddy, tobacco, vegetable, etc. and grasses. Their perennial trees like guava, citrus, peach, etc. are also reported to the attacked by the grub. Then adult host, the adult beetle feed on leaf of neem, sawaga, bear, tamarind, bell, and acacia. Then nature of damage. The grub feed on roots and rootlets of plant, and infested plants become yellowish and dry up. The attacked plant can be easily pulled out from the soil. The adult feed on the leaf of bare neem, drumstick, etc. Then carry over. Through the adult beetles, newly formed beetles remain in quiescence stage in soil and emerge when cloudy weather and light showers prevail in the month of May and June. Then life cycle, the emergence of beetle wing after first pre-monsoon showers, May and June, and emergence conference to early evening after the sunset. Then mating take place on the neem and bubble trees. Then beetles return to soil before sunrise, and female start laying the eggs singly in earthen shells at the depth of 7 to 10 centimeter in the soil. A female laid 50 to 70 eggs. Incubation, total incubation period 9 to 24 days. Grub. Grub mold twist and become full grown in 5 to 9 months. The pupal stage preparation in the soil. Pupal stage last for about 14 to 29 days. The adult are formed during November and December. They does not emerge until the pre-monsoon showers in May or June. The longevity of adult after emergence is 47 to 97 days. Only one generation in a year. The seasonal occurrence. Season, the pest is active in Kharif season. The management practices: collection of beetles by shaking host trees, neem, babul, bear at night horse, and their destruction in kerosene water. Then collection and destruction of grubs from the field at the time of weeding and interculture. Then flooding of the field, spray the host trees like neem, babul, bear with 0.1% coverage in monsoon on community basis. Then soil application with quinal post 5 g for a 10 g, carbofuran 3 g at the rate 25 kg per hectare at the time of land preparation of application of FIM. In case then second important polyphagous pest is termite. Termite also known as white ant. Then scientific name Odontotermus obesus, family Termitidae, order Isoptera. Then economic importance. Termite are polyphagous insect reported from many parts of Maharashtra, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh. The infestation of termite is more in sandy loam soil. They inflict more serious damage in the unirrigated areas. The mark of identification: These are social insects living in a colony. Polymorphic form are noticed. The reproductive caste. They live in a royal chamber. Queen develop from fertilized eggs. It is much larger in size and has creamy white abdomen with the market with the transverse dark brown streaks. It lives from 5 to 10 years and lays thousands of eggs. Then king develop from unfertilized eggs. It is much smaller than queen and slightly bigger than workers. It is secondary wingless insect. Then straddle caste, wingless. Worker develop from fertilized eggs. They are whitish yellow, head wider than reproductive caste. Mandibles are stronger, meant over feeding on. They avoid light and need high humidity for the survival. Then soldiers develop from unfertilized eggs. They have a large head and strongly chitinous sickles shaped mandibles. They depend the colony by fighting. Then host plant termite are polyphagous pest feeding on the crops like wheat, sugarcane, groundnut, cocoa, cotton, chilies, brinjal, fruit trees. Then nature of damage. Worker of trees Workers of, workers of termite feed on the roots and stem parts of the plant. They result in drying of the plants. Other forms do not cause any direct damage to the crop. In life cycle, uh, soon after first monsoon showers, the sexual form leave their colony for the nuptial flight. During evening, after a short flight, mating takes place. They shed their wings and the queen and long king settle down in the soil. The female burrows in the soil, lay eggs, and establish new colony. The queen gradually grows in size and start egg laying very rapidly at the rate of 1 eggs per second, or 70,000 to 80,000 eggs in 24 hours. It lives for 5 to 10 years. And then management works here. Then locate termitodia and destroy queen by digging out termitodia or fumigating with fumigants like CS2 methyl bromide, CS2 plus chloroform mixer at the rate 250 ml per mound. Then termite damage study crop can be minimized by application of 5 liter of linden 20 EC per hectare into irrigation water or field spreading of 1 liter of linden or chlorpyrifos mixture with sand or soil, followed by light irrigation. Then keep the crop healthy and vigorous. Shortage or water leading to initial dying of the plant may lead to termite infestation. Hence, it is very necessary to keep the crop healthy and vigorous. Then last most important polyphagous pest is locust. Locusts are those species of grasshopper. Then three major species of locust. First is Bombay locust, Patagra sacinata, and migratory locust, Locusta migratoria, and desert locust, Cecistosera gregaria. The family Achididae, order Orthoptera. Then important species desert locust. The desert locust is a pest of worldwide. Important as it is known as migrate in swarm from one country to another. Distribution. It is an international pest affecting about 60 countries, mainly India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Arabia, Persia, Iraq, and Africa. Then breeding region. The pest breed during the spring season in coastal and other areas of West Africa countries like Persia, where the winter rains bring about the required degree of the soil moisture and vegetation. The adult emerging from his breeding stage migrate eastward to Pakistan and India by about the beginning of monsoon. The phase theory of locust. The phase theory was first forth by Uvarov on the basis uh, of his study Locusta in Russia. Then regions of outbreak. In breeding regions, there are regular showers of rainfall in both the rainfall belts which bringing about the required degree of soil moisture and vegetation. However, strong winds do not scatter the swarm. The nature of damage. Locusts are voracious feeder, each adult consuming its own weight of vegetation daily. It is estimated that 1 square kilometer settle swarm content about 3,000 quintals of locust. At average swarm in 10 square kilometer, biggest 300 square kilometer swarm in on record. They similarly eat 6 to 8 times more than their own weight. It is the assumed that in India during 1926 to 31 Telugu, the damage caused to crop, fodder, crops, etc. And recently in 2020, the very largest damage by the locust. The methods of locust control, the destruction of the eggs, uh, hopper control mechanical method include interpreting the making hopper bag into two trains and wiring. Then control of adult and winged locust swarm. 2% methyl parathion and 90% of malathion to control the adult locust. Then waste areas can be treated in relatively short time. The swarm flight area can also be treated when swarm settle down in a particular area. That area can be quickly covered by aerial application. The movement of swarm can be watched with ease. Then locust control organization in India. Locust control warning organization of the government of India established April 1939. In 1942, is coordinated anti-locust scheme was put in the world. The United Nations Species Fund a Desert Locust project, which the sponsored by the FAO in 1960. This is being subscribed by several countries, including India. Its purpose is to develop more effective and less expensive control of the desert locust. And this is a chapter of polyphagous pest. Thank you.